Interested in adding Google Play Store to your Chrome OS Plex? You've come to the right spot. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Before we begin, it's essential to understand that there is no direct way to install Google Play Store on Chrome OS Plex. But don't worry, I have a method to share with you. Let me clarify upfront. I'll installing Chrome OS over Chrome OS Plex to gain access to Play Store. Let's dive in. So friends, first of all, you'll have to download the Chrome OS recovery file. Chrome OS recovery file downloading link will be given in the description. Kindly note, if you're using Intel from 3rd Gen to 9th Gen, you'll have to download RAMers. If you're using Intel from 10th Gen to latest, then you'll have to use Voltaire, and if you're using AMD, then you'll have to download Zark. There is another thing to note down. If your PC doesn't have iGPU, then Chrome OS will not be supported. So after downloading, just open the file explorer and go to download folder. Here you'll find Chrome OS RAMers recovery file or whatever you've downloaded. Just double tap on it and you can find that Chrome OS recovery image has been opened. Just right click on it and click on copy. Go to download and just paste here. Okay, it'll take 2 to 3 minutes. You'll have to wait here.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now it's completed. Now you can delete these 3.3 file which you have downloaded. Delete it. So now just click on here and drag into like this, and now select this Chrome OS img file and right click on it, click on rename, and after img put .bin just like this, and just click on outside. Okay, it's done. Now just close it and open Chrome browser. Just search for Chromebook recovery LED and open the very first link, and here you will find add to Chrome. Just click on it, add extension. Okay, it's done. Now just click on here and it will open. Just close the browser, and now you will have to install a pen drive minimum 8 GB. Now just click on the settings icon, select use local image, and now just go to download, and here you'll have to select the .bin file and click on open, and from here just select your pen drive and click on continue. And before creating the image, make sure that every data on your pen drive is removed, because in this process your pen drive will be completely erased. Just click on create now. Just wait a few minutes to complete the process.
1 hour later.
When it's completed, it will show success. Your recovery media is ready. Just click on done, and now you will have to restore to your PC and access the boot menu of your PC. To access the boot menu, you can refer this folder, otherwise you can search in Google. From the boot menu, just select your pen drive and hit enter. Just wait a few seconds. Here in the stage, your PC will take up to 30 minutes to boot up.
2,000 years later.
Now in the stage, click on get started. Now here just press on your keyboard Ctrl Alt plus F2. Cross command will open here. Type a root and hit enter. Now type sudo space resize-data and hit enter. It will take time. You'll have to wait here. And now when it's completed, just hit enter and your system will be rebooted. Now again access the boot menu and select your pen drive and hit enter. Please wait a few seconds. Now you will have to set up your Chrome OS. Okay, now the Chrome OS is booted up. Just close it. Now you'll have to use a keyboard again and press and hold Ctrl Alt plus T. Now cross command will open again. Type shell and hit enter. Now type sudo space fdisk space -l and hit enter. Now in the screen you'll find your disk partition. Just make it full screen. Here you will have to find out your SSD or hard drive, whichever you're using, by its size. Here you can see this is the SanDisk pen drive which I'm using to boot up the Chrome OS, and here you can see the HP SSD 256 GB. This is my SSD where I want to install the Chrome OS. Now you can see the name is here as NVMe 0N1. Just select the name, press Ctrl plus C. Name is copied. Now just type sudo space Chrome OS dash install space -dst space /dev /nvme 0nl. That is the name of my SSD. Now just hit enter, and here is asking are you here? Type yes and hit enter. Before hitting enter, keep in mind that everything on your SSD will be erased. Type yes and hit enter. You'll have to wait here. When it's completed, it will show Chrome OS installed successfully. Now type exit, close the cross command, leave, and just click on here and shut down your PC and remove your USB pen drive. You can store your PC. Now it's booting directly from your PC. Again, just set up your Chrome OS. Finally, the original Chrome OS is installed on your PC, and here you can find the Play Store is here. Here is the Play Store. Just open it. It's starting. Wow, congratulations! Chrome OS with Google Play Store has been successfully installed on your PC. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.